Hi guys, it's Alice. Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be trying out the new Miss Fame Under My Skin palette. And I also purchased two of her lipsticks and one of her lip toppers. My package was mailed to me. This is the picture that came with it. And it's just like a little thank you note and saying, like, I hope you like this palette. And it also came in a cute box like this. So you open it up, and this is the wrapping paper it came in. I already took it out. So the palette comes in like sort of like a film like this. It's really cool. So once you take it out, there's also a cover. Oops. There's also a cover that says Under My Skin. And that's just to protect the mirror. Now these eyeshadows are baked in Italy. They're kind of like a different formula than most eyeshadows. They're very shimmery and they're very similar to the Pat McGrath eyeshadows. So if you are interested in this look, keep on watching. Also, one more thing before I get onto the look. I also bought the two lipsticks. One is Dirty Couture and one is Flash of Flesh. And these are just, the packaging is just so pretty. And once you open the box, the lipsticks look like this, and they actually are magnetic, so they can just, they go back on by themselves, so that's pretty cool. Also, I got the On Top Experimental Glitter. So this is how it looks like. I'm wearing it on my lips right now. And this is the packaging that it came in on. Now this is the OG experimental glitter that first came out last year. I didn't really get to get my hands on the collection, so I managed to get my hands on the collection this year. So I have already primed my eyes, so I'm going to go in with Orgasm, which is the lightest shade. Next, I'm going to take a crease brush and I'm going to go into Astro Play. Right now, I think Astral Play is a little bit too dark, so I'm going to go in with Taupetation, which is just a gorgeous shade. I'm going to go back into Astral Play now. Next, I'm going to go into the darkest shade, which is New Orgasm. I'm going to go back in with Astral Play and blend out everything I've done, especially the wing part. I'm going to be trying a different shade with another brush. So this is just a pointed crease brush. I'm going into Mauve Mentum. So now I'm going in with Orgasm again, but I'm gonna dip in my brush and I'm gonna use some dewy finish spray from NYX. Just spray it on my brush like that. I'm going to go in with a thin pencil brush this is from NYX, and same deal as before. I am going to dip it into Neorgasm and then spray it with the NYX setting spray or dewy finish setting spray, and that's gonna go under my eye. Now I'm gonna go into Momentum again. Do the same thing on the other eye. Going in with Neorgasm, and I'm gonna carve out my wing. So again, I'm going to go in with Momentum and add another pop of color on this eye. Again, on my fluffy brush, I'm going to go into Orgasm, and I'm going to use the Dewy Finish setting spray. I'm going to go into Taupetation and do the same thing on this eye. So darken my outer crease with it. Then again, using Neorgasm on my pencil brush and using some setting spray, I'm going to go under my eye. Then I'm going to dip in with that same brush into Astral Play and Momentum. Sort of blend that out on the bottom inner corner. Next, I'm going to use this NYX Epic Ink Eyeliner. Next, I'm going in with a makeup wipe just to clean off any debris, and if I need to fix shaping up something on my eye, then I can do that. one step I'm going to also do is I'm going to use Orgasm and Movementum together, and I'm going to use that to blend everything out at the bottom, just before I forget. Okay, so I went into my waterline with the Urban Decay Glided Eye Pencil in Viper. Next I will be going in with this primer from Illamasqua. This is the matte primer. So next I'm going to go in with the Makeup Forever Ultra HD foundation. This is in the shade R210. This is the one I usually use. I'm going to use this foundation blending brush from Spectrum just to blend out all my foundation. I'm going in with my Jeffree Star Magic Star concealer. This is the shade C2. Next I'm going to use this smaller blending brush for my concealer. Okay, so now that I've done all my foundation and concealer, I'm going to be using the Magic Star translucent powder. I'm going to be using a smaller brush for under my eyes, just to make sure there's no creasing. Also, I'm pretty new to using this translucent powder, and honestly it smells like first when I used it, it kind of smelled like a dessert, like vanilla, but this time it smells kind of like cotton candy, and I honestly love it so much. So next for my contour, I'm going to be using the Morphe Highlight and Contour palette. First thing I'm going to dip in is the Latari shade, which is the lightest contour shade. Then I'm going in with Donut. The The next shade I'm going to be dipping in after Donut is the shade Debutane 8. I'm not sure how to pronounce that. So sorry. Then once you have a sharp contour like this, I'm going in to my next side. I'm going to do the same thing, starting with Latari. Then I'm going in with Donut again. For the highlighter, I'm going to be using Jeffree Star's Skin Frost and Lavender Snow. Next, I'm going to take a palette and a palette knife, going into Dirty Couture first. Next, I'm going in with Flash of Flesh and just putting that in the middle. I'm also going to be trying the On Top Experimental Glitter from Miss Fame. So I'm going to be using the Perversion mascara from Urban Decay. I'm just gonna blend out my eye makeup before I put my lashes on. So next I'm going to put on some eyelashes. Now I don't know where these eyelashes are from. I've used them before and I just kind of forgot to put them back in their case. So I'm sorry about that. So one more thing I did was I put mascara on the lower lash line and I just kind of blended out the eyeshadow on the lower lash line as well. So I hope you guys liked this video. Please give it a like if you liked it. Please comment, subscribe. I'd love to have you here and I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye!